Hi Mike, thanks very much for your time today, and also thanks very much for your time now and going over the website audit video for Bridon. I've put it into 10 main things I want to go over here today, and what you asked, what a good website should have. So I've written out, 10 main things I think a really good website should have, which we'd love to do for you. So the first thing is having a really unique, well-written and having fresh content, which basically helps with SEO, with search engine optimization, and also gives your clients a reason to return and to tell other people about it as well. So that's the first thing I think a really good website should have. And all of our clients, we write it up from scratch. My food bag, for example, clearly everything's written out and copyrighted, which our clients check over, but ultimately having links through to other pages and everything completely written from fresh. So nothing's copied and pasted because Google will see all of that. So having the information written from scratch is really important. The second thing I want to go over is having really simple navigation so your clients aren't getting lost. Now, what we do for our clients, for example, with Duffit, if you're scrolling down, the navigation bar here follows you. So no matter where you are on the website, you are going to have your navigation bar here follow you. So that's the second thing a really good website should have, and that's pretty straightforward. The third thing is responsive design. So we went over this today, but I'll show you again. So when I drag this site here to a smaller screen size, it's not responsive. So you've actually got to find the information. Where with any of our clients, it reformats the website to the size of the screen. So it doesn't matter what platform they're looking at this, it pops up as it should. And that's responsive design. The fourth thing is having high quality images. If the images are very poor and low quality, the website is going to look very poor and low quality as well. So making sure the imagery is really high quality and looks really great is very important. And that's more or less design, but we're experts at design and we ace that, but we don't actually have an in-house team that takes photographs, so you'd actually have to get a professional person to actually take those photos if you don't already have somebody to do that or have them already. The fifth thing I want to go over is making sure your website pops up at high speed. Now, if your website's loading very slow, people are going to just click back and click on something else, and research shows that very low and long loading pages that take long to load, obviously, research shows people click back and go to somebody else. So making sure your website's hosted very fast. We use cloud-based hosting, so no matter where in the world the person looks at your website, those files will be picked up to the closest server computer, which there's 12 all in the main areas around the world, which we use Amazon A2 hosting, which is very, very fast. And over the last 20 years, they haven't had a single second of downtime. So that speaks for itself as well, which I can show you that and show you the hosting service we use there. And the sixth thing I want to go over is making sure all of the page titles are unique titles, headlines, all the meta tags and descriptions for each page are correct. And that's for search engine optimization. The seventh thing I want to go over is lead capture. So not only getting the information of people going there and statistics there, but also having something that grabs clients or potential clients that are visiting the site so they want to fill out a few little blurbs of information, click send to actually get the information, and more importantly, what you do with their information is that gets stored onto a database on the back end, and we every quarterly or every month send those potential new clients a nice warm email and something that, like a newsletter, so they're thinking of you first for when they do decide to make that call to action. The eighth thing is custom error pages. Now, this is a really cool thing that we do for a lot of our clients. Now, if somebody clicks on your website, basically, like if they find you through Google and they click on a page that has been taken down, this and what we do here, without fail, it basically reformats that to the home page. So no matter where they click on or what page they find you through the internet, it goes straight to your home page. So straight away they get the full effect, and it doesn't come up with an error page tag on the website. So that's really important. The ninth thing is integrated statistics, and we do this for every client. On the back end of the website, we show you or a team member on how to actually go into the website and get that report in live time. Now, we send our clients a monthly analytic report on statistics anyway, but if you did want to find out straight away how that report is looking and how the website's looking that week or that month. You can easily log on to the website and actually on the dashboard see that Google Analytics report. So that's the nice thing, and there's no point of having a website unless you're monitoring and going over the statistics every month, so that's very important. And then the 10th thing is a custom design. So we customize the look and the design of the website because people decide within 3 seconds whether they like what they see online. If they don't, they're going to click back and go and click on something else, which is your competitor, and you don't want that. So capturing them straight away with a really nice design is really important, and we ace that every time. So our design, and I think our websites are the nicest websites in New Zealand, being very honest. Appreciate the time. Mike, hopefully that's been very informative. Below the audit in the email, I have put our packages and also our costings, and also I've put the costings for our ongoing SEO services that we provide with a description and some frequently asked questions in another email I've sent out. Thanks very much for your time again, and we'll talk soon. Bye.